In this section of video, I am going to explain you exercise 2.1 of NCERT class 11th. Name of the chapter is Relations and Functions. This chapter is in the class 11th of CBSE board. Now this is question number 1 of exercise 2.1. We have a question in this format: x by 3 plus 1 comma y minus 2 by 3 and its value is equal to 5 by 3 and 1 by 3, and it is given in the question find the value of x and y. In these types of questions, we simply applied our mathematical operations and compare both the values one by one and find out the value of x and y. So simple, which is equal to 5 by 3 because this is x ordinate, and here we just equate the y ordinate. Now x by 3, which is equal to 5 by 3 minus 1, and here we get x by 3 is equal to 5 minus 3 by 3. That is x by 3 is equal to 2 by 3, and ultimately the value of x is 2. Now similarly you can also find the value of y, and here we get 1 by 3 plus 2 by 3, which is equals to 3 by 3 and which is equals to 1. So I think these are very simple questions and you can easily find out the values of x and y simply equating them. Now question number 2 of the exercise 2.1. If set A has 3 elements and set B has the elements given as 3, 4, 5. Find the number of elements in A cross B. Okay. So whenever we have to find A cross B, I will tell you later how will you find the A cross B. But here in the question we have to find only the number of elements which are present in A cross B. For this I am going to give you a format. For example, number of elements in set A is P, and number of elements in set B is Q, then number of elements in set A cross P is equal to P into Q. Simple. This is the formula. So from here, the number of elements in set A is 3 and number of elements in set B 1, 2, 3. Clear? In the question it is given A has 3 elements. In the question B, the elements are given, so you have to count there again 3. So number of elements in A cross B is equal to 3 into 3, which is equal to 9. So simple. Okay. Now with the help of this question, I am going to explain you how will you find the cross product of two sets. This is also known as Cartesian product of two sets. First one, there's a little bit difference. G cross H, H cross C. Is there any difference between the answers of them? Yes. Just see over here. G cross H. It means 7 cross L cross 5, 4 and 2. Clear? So we have what? 7, 5, 8, 4. Sorry. 7, 4. 7, 2. Then 8, 5, 8, 4, 8, 2. But when you find out the cross product from H cross G, we firstly write the set of H, then we write the set of G. Now what is the answer? 5, 7, 5, 8, 4, 7, 4, 8, 2, 7, 2, 8. So you can easily observe in this way the cross product changed for different way of representation. Now if we have to find the cross product of three sets, just see the format of the question, then how will we do that? We proceed in simply the same method, same process. One by one I am going to explain you. Firstly, find the cross product of A cross A. That means minus 1, 1 into minus 1, 1. So we have the answer minus 1, this one, minus 1. Then minus 1, 1. Next one, 1 minus 1. Then 1 and 1. Now A cross A cross A. That means A cross A cross A. Now for this whole of that, we get the set -1, -1, comma minus 1, 1, comma, 1, comma, minus 1, comma, and 1, comma, 1. And we have to multiply it with set this, that is minus 1, comma, 1. So, first one, this into this into this, okay? So, we get answer minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, then minus 1, minus 1, 1. For this with this. Clear? Now, next one, minus 1, 1, minus 1, then minus 1, 1, then 1. Then next one, 1, minus 1 into minus 1, then 1 minus 1 into 1. You put commas in all between them. Then 1, 1, minus 1, 1, 1, and 1. So in this way you can also find the cross product of. Now again, next question, if A cross B is given A comma X, A comma Y, B comma X, B comma Y, and we have to find the set A and set B. That means cross product is given and we have to find separately set A and set B. Now observe carefully, set A is in the first place. So all the elements of the first place belongs to set A. That means A is equals to A, B, B. For set B, we have X, Y, X, Y. But this is not the proper answer. Elements are only considered for only one time. That means real set of A is this and set B is X, Y. And we can check it also. There are two elements. 2 cross 2, that is 4 elements. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Clear? So it's easy. Now next question. If set A is equal to 1, 2, set B is equal to 3, 4. We have to find A cross B and how many subsets A cross B have. Now before solving this question, I want to explain some more things in between these questions one by one. So listen carefully. Now in the first question, we have to find A cross B. Firstly, I am going to find A cross B. Now A cross B is equals to 1, 2 cross 3, 4. That means A cross B is equal to 1, 3, then 1, 4, then 2, 3, then 2, 4. So there are, you find 4 ordered pairs. Okay. So number of subsets for any set, we have the formula 2 to the power n. Now there are 4 ordered pairs, so we get 2 to the power 4. That is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. That means we get 16. There's one more method. If we can find here also. For example, there are P, there are Q. The number of subset is 2 to the power P into Q. That means 2 into 2 into 2. That is again we got 2 to the power 4. And we again get 2 to the power 16. So for the number of subsets A cross B, we have the format 2 to the power P cross Q. Where P elements which are present in first set and Q elements which are present in the second set. And I think after this is a concept based video. Exercise 2.1 you can do. Overall exercise you can do. Thank you.